How to fix Wi-Fi calling not working on your iPhone. Hey there, welcome back. In today's video, I will show you an advanced guide on how to solve the Wi-Fi calling not working problem on your iPhone with just one click. So let's get started. Before doing anything, ensure your Wi-Fi is working or not. You can check by opening the browser, search any website or YouTube, and check if it's opening or it keeps loading. And try our next solution. Solution 2. Make sure that Wi-Fi calling is turned on. Open Settings, scroll down, tap on the phone. After that, tap on Wi-Fi calling and ensure that the option is turned on. If you still have that issue, try out our next solution. Check Update. Open Setting, scroll down, tap General, tap Software Update. Now check for the new software. If you found new software, then update it. Solution 1. Eject the SIM card and insert it back again. Often ejecting your SIM and re-inputting it can solve network signal issues. After that, your problem will be solved. If you still have issues, then try out the following processes. Solution 3. Try to reset network settings. Open Settings, scroll down, tap on General, scroll down, tap on Transfer or Reset. Then tap on Reset. Select Reset Network Settings. After that, enter your passcode and reset your network settings. Make sure by Reset Network Settings, your phone network settings will be the default. So you should remember your password as well. So this is how you can solve that Wi-Fi calling not working problem. Hope you find this video helpful. Hit the like button. If you have any questions, please ask me in the comments below. Thanks for watching.